Hello Android users, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your messages problem. Okay, so if you have problem with your messages application, let me show you guys how to fix it. Okay, maybe your messages are now being transferred to your Facebook Messenger application. You don't know how you mistakenly set that to your Facebook Messenger. Let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so what you need to do is to open up your settings. All right, so when you open up your settings, you want to scroll down to apps. Okay, scroll down to our apps, or you click on app management. Okay, so when you tap on it, you go to see default apps. Okay, so go ahead and click on default apps. Okay, so when you click on it here, you can see the SMS app. Okay, so go ahead and then click on the SMS app. All right, so click on that. When you click on that, you go see that it was set to Facebook Messenger. Now set it to messages application. So when you set it to messages application, you go back. Okay, let's check if the issue has been resolved. Now let's open the messages application, and then you can see that it has been resolved. Then I'll show you guys the second method to solve this issue if you find that very stressful. So press and hold your messages application. Now you can see the app info. Click on app info. Okay, so it will take you here. What you need to do is to scroll down. Okay, go down to SMS app. Okay, so click on SMS app, and then you can see the same thing that we saw the other time. So you can always set it to messages. Okay, so if this video was useful, don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment under this video, and don't forget to also follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me in any social media handle that you find me, and then peace out guys.